Let me teach you how to make a pink nude lip gloss. You're gonna grab our lip gloss base, pour some of that into the bowl, grapeseed oil, add it to our lip gloss base. That's enough. In my previous video, I show you the ingredients. I break it down, how it works, and I also teach you the measurement I did. So I'm just showing you in this video how to make a pigmented gloss, because the first time I make a lip gloss, it was just clear gloss. We get our lip gloss base, our consistency, and a little bit of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is good in our formula. Mix that too. My lip gloss consistency is too thin. Add more lip gloss base to make it thicker. Oh, what I'm actually gonna do, instead of adding more lip gloss base, I'm gonna add polybutene. Polybutene is very thick, so it will give my lip gloss the thickness, and also it will give it shine. So see how thick it is? Add that to your lip gloss base and mix it. You're going to see how much of a difference it's going to make. Okay, you see, it's also thick and tacky, so you don't need a lot. Or you can also add in just more lip gloss base. So I'm gonna go back and add in more lip gloss base. I don't want to make this lip gloss too much, because it's just to show you guys. So adding more lip gloss base. And the reason why my lip gloss base is thin, because this base is also pre-made. So, but if you get like the regular main 750 or M500, it will be a lot thicker than my base. So I'm thinking I'm okay with the consistency for now. If I want to make it more thicker, I'm gonna go back in. You see that? Gotta be careful with polybutene, because if it's not mixed well in your base, separate and sit on top of the lip gloss, and it will be super thick. You don't want that. But I want a lip gloss formula to be more thicker, so I'm just going in to make it thick with polybutene. Polybutene is super thick. I think this formula for now is okay. But you can add more. It's gonna be your first time making lip gloss, so you don't have to worry about it. Just try to know how to do it. Forget about formula right now. We're just trying to make sure you make a good lip gloss, so you'll be eyeballing your formula, right? So for me, this consistency is okay. You can make it a lot thicker if you want, but remember, we add in polybutene. Polybutene is super thick, so we don't want it to be thick. This consistency is pretty much what I want it to be, because I got polybutene in the formula. We added our polybutene, we added our grapeseed oil, we added our vitamin E oil. We want to add in our pigment, because we're making pink nude lip gloss. I like this pigment. You can just go ahead and add in few dots. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. This is beginner friendly, so I don't want to make it too, a lot of measurement. Just want to keep it simple. This is how I started making lip glosses. So I just keep mixing. Ooh, that pink color is really pretty. See, it's really pretty. We didn't do much, okay? And you see how pretty it is? It is so pretty, guys. It's gonna be more on the sheer side, because it's a nude gloss. It wanna be pigmented. If you want it to be more pigmented, you can add more liquid pigment. I use liquid pigment, but you can use glitter or shimmer pigment. But this pigment is so pretty. Usually gloss like this, I will flavor it like strawberry flavor, but I don't have strawberry flavor right now. The only flavor that I have that will be close to something sweet would be pineapple juice. So I'm gonna flavor this gloss pineapple juice. But if you want to make the gloss at home and you come up with this beautiful pink shade, definitely go ahead and flavor it with strawberry flavor, because it will go with the vibe. But I don't have strawberry flavor, so I'm just gonna go with pineapple juice, which is also sweet because it gives me that sweet vibe. Okay, so I just add that to it. Not need too much. You just need the scent to come up. Don't add too much flavor. You can go ahead and stir that. Ooh, pretty now. I try to pull it in a wand too. All you need is some clean syringes, a pipette. Okay. I got 2 tubes. This is a gloss we just make in the tube. See how pretty it is. Tell me, will you try this formula? Let me know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.